Today we are on Wednesday, the 21st of September, 2022. Lesson 1. The English alphabet pronunciation. In order to pronounce correctly the English alphabet, you only need to know 0607 sound.
Step 00. 1. Recognize again the 7 sounds in the 2 charts by yourselves. 02. Compare and find the 46th sound missed in the upper intermediate level chart and write it in the comments.
Dear learners, would you please take a look at this chart of 46 sounds existing in the English language. This chart is made for advanced learners of English. The second chart contains only 45 sounds. It is made for upper intermediate learners of English.
AI. Step 00. 1. Recognize again the 7 sounds in the 2 charts by yourselves. 02. Compare and find the 46th sound missed in the upper intermediate level chart and write it in the comments. 03. Put in order the above sounds according to their appearance in the English alphabet. You need to rely on yourself while you are learning new knowledge, because as a learner you are the most important element in the process of learning. From the starting point, be an active learner to succeed. To cross the first step and hereafter miles, you need to learn how to dig the ground on which you are standing, and remember, the deeper you dig, the higher and safer will you build your English level skyscraper. Be aware of your process of learning through searching new information and knowledge in the target language by yourself, and check what you receive from the teacher compared to other sources of knowledge. Because through searching you will store the new knowledge in your close memory, so that you can recall them rapidly in instant real situations of communication, and thus you can produce the language. Whereas if you just receive those new knowledge, you will store them in your distant memory, and you can't recall them rapidly to be used for communication. That's why some learners can understand English, but they can't express themselves in English, and thus they will be unable to communicate sooner compared to other learners. To be continued. / The